Hi, my name is Abhinav and I'm from Noida. I've been working with a fitness platform and I have my own platform, trading platform. So this is Delhi Surgical Center and I came here. I got to know about this surgery center through Instagram post and I came here for a surgery when I realized like I have a gynecomastia when I consulted with the doctor. So they said like you have a gyno grade 2 and there was a gland and it was quite embarrassing for me for the moments like I cannot wear the t-shirts and the shirts. Alright, and I cannot go bare body like if I want to remove my t-shirts over the places like in the gym or somewhere else. It was quite difficult for me even to change the clothes in front of people. So I decided to go for a surgery and then I consulted Dr. R.K. Singh and I came here in the morning. Like it's just a process of one day, like you just have to come in the morning and you'll be discharged in the evening. It was not that painful because when they started the surgery it was just a process of 40 minutes hardly and it was quite well. Like there were 2-3 doctors, like the surgeons and the anesthesia doctor, and there were nurses as well, like to assist you to help you. And when the surgery was done, they take me to the general OPD and give the pain. Like there was a little bit pain. I won't lie for this one. Like there was a little bit pain because it's a surgery. So whenever you get the scar or you get the cut, so it's quite little bit painful for after the surgery. So I would rather say like everyone, like people who has a gyno and who doesn't don't know about like if they have a gyno or not, they should better consult with a doctor instead of doing the Google shit and other stuff. I would rather prefer to I would highly recommend, because I have consulted a lot of other surgical centers as well, but I found this one better. It's not just about because I got my surgery here. It's not just like that. It's just the process and the care after surgery. It was quite good, and they'll give you the full support and they'll provide every assistance like if you have any problem even after surgery. And it's been like 7 days, 7-8 days. Like I came here for the dressing and the almost like you can see the pictures like after this video, and there's a huge difference actually. So I'm glad like at least I'll be able to change my t-shirts in front of people. Like obviously I'll have to make a frame again. It's gonna be very challenging for me, but I would rather highly recommend this surgical center. It's quite cheap as compared to the other centers, because the probably like if you search on the Google, like you'll get the charges around 60, 70, 50, but you'll get something better if you directly consult here. Thank you for watching this video, and this is not just a video. I'm just sharing my experience, the real experience, because I know many people's like they don't want to believe like they have a gyno, or they feel like no, we feel shame like if we talk about it, like people, like if we discuss with anyone. So I would rather say like I'm a fitness consultant as well. Like so anyone can get it. Like it's not just a big deal. Even at the age of puberty, 18 or 19. So mine was like 6 years old. Like it was a small gland, but due to the COVID and the other lifestyle, it gets bigger day by day, and then I decided to go undergo the surgery. So this is something. So I would highly recommend this Delhi Surgical Center. You should check it out on Google, or on Google you can get the number in the description box.